In the last half-century, some fish have been shifting into deeper colder waters, due to climate change. One study found that fish species off the northeastern coast of the United States descended more than 1 meter per year between 1968 and 2007, in response to a warming of only about 1 degree Celsius. Scientists recently found that these fish have a harder time seeing colors in these deeper waters, which can lead to all sorts of problems. For example, in 3-spined sticklebacks in the Baltic Sea, females choose males based on the redness of their throats and bellies. As a result, global warming in addition to pollution in water is now making it harder for a male to prove that he's a worthy mate to a female. Also for cichlid fish in Africa's Lake Victoria, species must rely on their distinctive colors to recognize their own kind to mate with. This illustrates the unfortunate reality that global warming is turning fish into incels.